Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English unit number 1, page number 8, exercise grammar. Students, now let us start. Point number 4, label prefixes, root words and suffixes in the following words. Use PR for prefix, S for suffix and RW for root word. For example, injustice, in this word, in is prefix, just is root word and ICE is suffix. Students, now let's start other words. First word is helper. In this word, help is root word and er is suffix. Next word is unchaste. In this word, un is prefix and chaste is root word. Next word is kindness. In this word, kind is root word and ness is suffix. Next word is inequity. In this word, in is prefix and equity is root word. Next word is righteousness. In this word, righteous is root word and ness is suffix. Next word is indeed. In this word, in is prefix and deed is root word. Next word is careful. In this word, care is root word and ful, full is suffix. Next word is non-Arab. In this word, non is prefix and Arab is root word. Next word is directed. In this word, direct is root word and ed is suffix. Next word is undeniable. In this word, un is prefix and deny is root word and able is suffix. Next word is commitment. In this word, commit is root word and ment is suffix. Next word is unsuccessful. In this word, un is prefix and success is root word and full is suffix. Next, point number 5, guess the meanings of the words below and phrases and then compare them with their dictionary meanings. इसमें फर्स्ट वर्ड है सेरिमन, उर्दू मैनी खुतबा, इंग्लिश मीनिंग एन एड्रेस, a talk on a moral or religious subject. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है कंसाइज, उर्दू मैनी जामे, इंग्लिश मीनिंग गिविंग ओनली द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज नेसेसरी एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है रेकन, उर्दू मैनी सोचना, इंग्लिश मीनिंग टू थिंक समथिंग और हैव एन ऑप्शन about something. Next word है usury, उर्दू मानिए सूदखोरी, इंग्लिश मीनिंग the practice of lending money to people at unfairly rates of interest. Next word है obligation, उर्दू मानिए फर्ज, इंग्लिश मीनिंग to do something because it is your duty. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है इन्फ्लिक्ट, उर्दू मानिए तकलीफ देना, इंग्लिश मीनिंग टू मेक समबॉडी सफ़र समथिंग अनप्लेजेंट. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है कमिटेड हेल्पर्स, उर्दू मानिए पक्का मददगार, इंग्लिश मीनिंग डेडिकेटेड हेल्पर्स. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है अर्नेस्ट, उर्दू मानिए पुरजोश, इंग्लिश मीनिंग एन अर्नेस्ट यंग मैन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है अपोस्टल, उर्दू मैनिए पैगंबर, इंग्लिश मीनिंग अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है सेक्रेड ट्रस्ट, उर्दू मानिए मुकद्दस एतमाद, इंग्लिश मीनिंग ट्रस्ट दैट इज कनेक्टेड विद गॉड। स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ। आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly note down this work on your books. It is your book work. Okay, Allah Hafiz.